Alright guys and girls, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to longboard with boots, because Vans is making an crazy amount of money by selling to skateboarders, and so is Converse. So I say F the system, let's just do it for the aesthetic, because half the people do the things for aesthetic anyways. You know, think about it. People that go to the gym, they get certain gym clothes for the aesthetic of looking like a gym rat. So why would you want to skate in things that aren't stylish, you know? And before you come for me in the comments, I've had 2 people show me how to skateboard that have been skateboarding for quite some time, since they were a teenager. Also, these people were male, and we all know that males like to show off, so they showed their best skills to me. But without further ado, I've been longboarding and skateboarding for a couple of years, on and off. But what you want to do when you're longboarding, if you never longboard before, the difference between a skateboard and a longboard is a skateboard's for tricks, a longboard is for long travel, and also you can dance on a longboard because there's more rooms. And you'll see on my longboard, the wheels are bigger than a skateboard and it is longer, hence the name longboard. So let me see if I can get y'all set up in a good way where you can see. So what you want to do with your longboard, whenever you're skating, you want to find a comfortable pair of shoes that you wear on a regular basis. Like, these are, I don't know, I wear these boots all the time, so I know they fit. I know they're not going to slip off when I'm skating. I know they're the right size. That's really important when you're longboarding with a pair of boots. Also, they have some traction on here. So get some boots that aren't smooth on the end. Get some boots that you don't care about, but they look good. Like, they look good. So what you're going to do, I'm going to just show you a little bit how longboard. What you want to start is a kickoff. So you put your left foot, oh, hold on, let me readjust. Left foot on the top, and then you're gonna kick with your back foot. Go like this. Oh man. And the best way to learn how to longboard or skateboard, guys, is to go in. How one of my friends, one of the dudes taught me to do it, was actually to start in the grass if you're doing skate tricks. So if you fall down, you're on the grass, you're all good. Also, what I have found is go somewhere where you are comfortable and it is empty. That might be a parking lot. That might be, you know, this little street over here near the park, and it's just a straight line. You want to start on straight lines before you really capture the hills, because the hills can be intimidating, and stopping, you definitely need to learn how to stop on this longboard. But yeah, someone just pulled up, so that's going to be interesting. Let's see if I can get some better angles, because I want to show you how I go downhill. Let's just see if I can do a little turn. So I was trying to show off. I was trying to get y'all to see me, so I did not. That's an example of how to not stop. Let me show you how to stop. So stopping, you want to drag. Man, this angle is terrible. You can't see shit. That's a little bit better. It is a cold, wintry day. Y'all bear with me on this vlog. When you want to stop, damn, you still can't see me. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do it old school. When you're stopping, you're gonna have your whatever foot. I ride with my left foot on top. Your right foot is usually at the back. And you know, this is the common skateboarding thing, but I usually only do this when I'm doing curves. I usually skateboard like a fucking weirdo. But don't let anyone make fun of you for how you skate. And I have noticed that skateboarders and longboarders, some of the most chill people, like if they skateboard or longboard, they're automatically chill, and if they're acting like a jerk, they got some personal problems. Or they're trying to be like go in the Olympics and have like, you gotta do it this way. They're too uptight. Yeah, people skateboard, longboard to just take a break from everything, you know, or get away from things, you know, literally get away. But yeah, when you want to stop, you know, say I'm longboarding from this way. Oh my god, it's hard to do this with a camera up like this. I need a tripod. Here, let me just balance. What you're doing when you want to stop, take your right foot and you're gonna bring it up. But when you're stopping, you're dragging your heel. So you're dragging your heel. So let's see if I can show you a little bit. I wanted to go down there, but all right, so we'll just show slow speed. See, I'm dragging on the ground. So we're going like this. We're dragging, we're dragging. It's a little bit harder the faster you go. You can also, to slow down with a longboard, go in a wavy line. You know, just kind of wave around. I guess I'm gonna go near this truck. I don't really want to. Like, I'm in the middle of this shit, but I guess you guys can see me in full force. I'll show you how to do a quick turn. Turning like this. You see how my feet are like that? That's how usual skateboarders, longboarders keep their feet. They keep them parallel, not horizontal. But I'm weird. I skate like this. Unless I'm doing a turn. Let's see if I can turn this way. Oh, it's gonna be a doozy. It's gonna be a doozy. Wow. The crowd goes wild. The most important thing when longboarding with your pair of boots is just know that you can fucking do it. Just get comfortable in doing it, guys. Get comfortable in longboarding in your boots. Find a comfortable pair of boots you wear all the time, preferably some that have traction on it. You're not afraid to get dirty. You're gonna have to clean them a few times, but you know, you can longboard when it's raining. It's quite the experience, but if you want to avoid them getting completely muddy, I'd avoid that. But shit, I've done it when it's rained. I'm like, yes, I'm the main character. I'm the ultimate longboarder in the rain. It's so dangerous. But it's fun. It's all fun and games. But yeah, dude, just keep practicing and do it. And let me know if you want some more longboarding advice. I know it was sporadic, and I will get better equipment so you can see it better next time. All right, peace out.